everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we have the 2021 Xblade with us. Special thanks to Yug Honda Wakad for providing us this bike for the review. You can visit their dealership and give our reference to get the best deals on Honda products. And you need not worry because they are keeping your safety in mind. Now if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss an update from Rev Explorers. You can also go ahead and check out our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Let's begin with the review of the Xblade. Ever since Xblade was launched, I felt that this face resembles the Transformers face. Don't you agree with me? Well, you have a good looking LED headlight in the front and a big visor to protect you from air drag. Along with that are traditional bulb turn indicators, telescopic front forks and a 17-inch black coated alloy wheel which has a 80/100 section MRF Nilo grip mounted on it. Along with that you get a 276mm disc brake in the front with single channel ABS. So the Xblade is available in two variants. One is double disc, the other one is single disc. So you know what the difference is. This is the double disc which we have with us and it is offered in 4 colors. So you have a wide variety to choose from. From the side profile it still looks like the BS4 Xblade and you do get a kickstart in this BS6 variant as well. The Xblade gets a 12-liter fuel tank and has a claimed fuel efficiency of 50 kmpl. So you can easily get somewhere around 48 kmpl which is good for a 160cc motorcycle. That reminds me, the powerhouse is 163cc air-cooled 4-stroke engine mated with a 5-speed gearbox. Now this motor generates a maximum power of 13.8 PS at 8000 rpm and a peak torque of 14.7 Nm at 5500 rpm. The complete bike weighs 144 kgs which is 2 kgs heavier than the Hornet 2.0 and the ground clearance is 160 mm which is decent enough for this bike. The Xblade gets a single step-up seat which is a blend of comfort as well as sportiness. Along with that you get a monoshock in the rear and then is this side hung single barrel exhaust with 2 exits. Let's check out how it sounds. At the rear is a 17-inch alloy wheel with an MRF zapper mounted on it of the section 130/70. And if you have opted for a double disc variant, you will get a 220mm disc brake in the rear. And if you opt for a single disc variant, you will get no disc in the rear. You will get a drum brake of 130mm. The tail light is in the shape of Tesla's logo and it looks really good. It is an LED tail light and then you have the bulb turn indicators. Now let's quickly hop on to the saddle. So as I already said, the seat comfort is a blend of softness as well as stiffness. Now the saddle height is 795mm. I can get both of my feet on the ground. And if you are above 5'5", you can easily ride this bike. So the digital instrument cluster. Well, you have a digital tachometer, digital speedometer, gear position indicator, and this is the time, odometer and the digital fuel gauge. Along with that over here you have the neutral indicator, ABS indicator, turn indicator and the high beam indicator. And that's it. Coming to the right hand side, you have the kill switch, the hazard switch which is a really cool add-on Honda and the cell start switch. Coming to the left hand side, you have the pass switch, the headlight control, the turn indicator control and the horn. So it is a single tone horn. Now it's time to take the Xblade on the city roads of Pune. But before you go on a ride, don't forget to wear your helmet and follow all road safety rules. The bike is super comfortable. It looks very sporty and futuristic, but in use, it is very comfortable. When I first touched the seat, I felt that it is slightly stiff. However, it is very comfortable when you sit on it. Good wide handlebar and neutral set foot peg makes the posture straight, leaving no point of stress on your body. While riding, it feels like a good comfortable city commuter and it does pack some amount of performance in it. The 160cc motor is very smooth and refined. There are no vibrations at the peak as well. The bike really feels progressive in terms of power delivery. The initial pick is good, not that great as you would expect to see in other 160cc motorcycles, but the mid is where it shines. The bike pulls really strong in the mid-range and then flats out at the top. I feel this configuration helps it to attain decent fuel efficiency and not feel underpowered at the same time. While pinning down the throttle, it performs really well. The overtakes become easy. In fact, it is easy to manage in traffic as well. This has the true DNA of Honda because the engine is silent, engine is smooth, and the performance is optimum. Checks all the right boxes. The gearbox is also very smooth and precise. It gets a 5-speed unit and shifting them is no problem at all. The clutch is also on a lighter side, making your life easy in bumper to bumper situation. Although the pandemic has cut the traffic problem in half, but it still comes handy. We are currently riding the dual disc variant, and Xblade does give an option of single disc. Both the variants get single channel ABS and the bite from rear brake is good. It lacks the feedback, but the bite is good. The front also has a good stopping power and the ABS avoids wheel lockups. I would prefer to stick with dual disc because it is better, plus it won't cost you a fortune. The motorcycle's charm is in its suspension, and over here on this bike, things are very stable at high speed. In fact, they work as a cushion on bad roads. This setup absorbs it all. They are softly sprung and have good damping characteristics. I feel they are very well tuned, keeping in mind the city commute, and on highways they inspire good confidence. Corners is where they slightly lack the feedback. I have always liked the way Xblade looks. I mean, yes, it depends on individual's taste, but there is something about this futuristic design. Along with that, it comes with Honda's trust, so you know the engine and build quality will be flawless. The only thing that ticks me is the premium you have to pay for being a part of Honda's family. With the sun setting down, our review has come to an end, and Xblade is also a very refined motorcycle, just like every other two-wheeler by Honda. I don't know how you do it, Honda, but really impressed with the refinement, the smoothness and the silence of the engine. So if you like the Xblade, you can get it too, starting from 1,07,000 for the single disc variant up to 1,12,000 for the dual disc variant, and these prices are ex-showroom Delhi. I hope you did like this video. Do give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss an update from Rev Explorers. You can also go ahead and check out our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. We'll always love to have a chat with you. If you have any doubts or any queries, leave it in the comment section below, or you know where to catch hold of us on our social media pages. We'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and ride safe. Bye bye.